Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. We have got a very rare vehicle to show you around today. This is a 2017 Mercedes-Benz V220 Diesel Sport Marco Polo model. So this was Mercedes' factory camper, built to rival the likes of the Volkswagen California. And even though we're die-hard VW fans here, I have to tell you, this is a really good challenge to it, and in some ways better. So as you can see, this one's got the top of the range stuff, so it's got the intelligent lighting system with LED lights at the front. Really good lighting system, equivalent to VW's LED headlights. It's got the full 360 camera system, so you get a top view over the vehicle, so you can see fully around it when you're manoeuvring. And this is in lovely condition. Indium Grey metallic, which has kind of a bronze hue to it. And it's only done just a shade over 8,000 miles. Last owner for probably 2 and a bit years has been a GP who bought it with the intention of using it plenty. Obviously COVID hit, unfortunately, and he found himself rushed off his feet, so has never even slept in the vehicle and done 4,000 miles in 2 years. Wheels are in super order with Goodyear tyres all round. Privacy tints on the rear windows, that's standard from the factory. Now this one has the rare silk beige leather interior, which I personally think is better than the black. It just really brightens the inside up. You've got the piano lacquer dash there, lovely trim, and the leather is in super order, as you'd expect really at this mileage. Just light creasing from getting in and out, as you'll get on any vehicle after a few miles. It's got the full COMAND online system, lovely big screen there. Cruise is standard on these as well. It's a fully electric pop-top roof, all controlled from this little binnacle down here. We've also got USB charging points down here too. Your control centre just on here. This one's got the optional auxiliary water heater, so what that does is it heats up the coolant, ready for when you're starting if you're in quite adverse conditions. This is your little bit that attaches at the campsite. Now, all the camper kit on these is done by Westphalia, so at least you know it's quality, well-known, trusted products at the higher end of the market. It's got a power tailgate, it's just one click, or press the button on the key and up that comes. In the back here you've got the rear part of the bed once you've folded the seats down. This is the extension bit, and underneath here we have got 2 chairs and a table for when you're sitting out with the awning, which I'll get to in a minute. In this little cupboard we've got the electric hookup and also the shower cable there. So just this button at the top, quick press, down it goes. Now as I'm going around here, I am keeping an eye out for any little marks or anything. Now no doubt, because it's 4 years old, covered 8,000 miles, there's bound to be the odd tiny little mark somewhere on it. But as we're going around so far, I've not seen anything at all, and you can see how the vehicle looks. Clearly been very well cared for. We'll just go along panel by panel though, just to have a really good look there. Electric sliding door on the side. Now this has got the dark yacht wood finish on it. It contrasts nicely. I've put the table out ready. That does of course fold away. And the rear seats that turn to the bed. Really smart operation this, so they all operate electronically here in terms of the way they adjust. And the way these units are finished, I have to say, it's maybe difficult to pick up on the video here, the quality is second to none. The way everything opens, closes, looks inside, just a real solid quality job. Moving through into the front. Exact mileage today, 8,089 miles. Now it's worth knowing that the previous owner has had 2 Mercedes services completed. The last one just a matter of hundreds of miles ago. So as you'd expect, it's not wanted for anything maintenance wise and is totally ready to go. The other optional extra here was the awning. Not standard on one of these. There's a line of pop top there. Just an all-round super vehicle. Great for getting away in this country. With a lovely spec, super low miles. Now finance facilities are available and we welcome part exchanges. So have a little look on our advert at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. You'll see a full description, all the photos as well, and please do get in touch if you're interested in the vehicle. Thanks for watching.